I'm glad that ang starting point natin, ang tingin sa Pilipino, yun na nga, chill.
So ayun, Pilipinas daw, the new chill dude of Southeast Asia. Kasi tayo na raw ang magho-host ng next ASEAN Summit. Pero teka lang, chill daw? Baha pa rin sa kalsada, presyo ng bigas mainit pa sa kape, at justice system natin parang traffic, delayed, walang direksyon. Kung pagiging chill ang sukatan ng progreso, champion na nga talaga tayo.
In terms of physical, logistical preparation, we are prepared.
Pero sana sa ASEAN, hindi lang tayo chill sa problema, kundi cool din sa solusyon.
Very early on, in the chairship of Malaysia, I spoke already to Premier Anwar, and I asked him, how's it going? And he said, this is what we're having to do. And these are the things that we are having to arrange. It's a big... And so immediately, I said, where next? We have to start preparing. So, we have been preparing for it for about, 8 months now? Since nag-usap kami ni Anwar, sabi, wow, malaking bagay pala itong ang dami palang kailangan gawin. So, pinaghahandaan na talaga namin. So, yan, we are prepared. We are now in the process of putting together the different elements of where we think ASEAN should be focusing. So, one of the things is the COC, for example. Number one. Para sa atin, the other member states, that's not as a big priority to them as it is to us. So, this is our chance to really promote that and to highlight that. And hopefully we will succeed.